Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice entertainment stand that we're going to redo for one of our clients. So follow along, subscribe as we take this thing and bring it to life. Alright, like most of our projects, we're going to disassemble. We're going to take all the hardware off, check all the drawers, make sure it's structurally sound, and then we can go from there and determine what we're going to sand to stain and what we're just going to sand to paint. So let's get all the hardware off. Alright, we are to my least favorite step, which is sanding all this down. So we're going to be staining the top and our drawers here, so these got to be done really nicely. The rest of the stuff we're just going to scuff sand fronts and the sides here of this piece. So let's start with the hard part of getting this top sanded down, and then we'll go from there. Alright, we have our dark walnut stain, we've got our rag, we've got our top to do, and we've got the shelves to do. So let's begin. Alright, stain top. Now we can start painting the base. Now we have a white that we use for scuffing, so we're going to use that twice, 2 layers. We'll start with the outside. We're even going to do the inside here. All of it will be scuffed, but first we got to get it all painted. So let's begin. Alright, we've got it painted. Now we're going to remove some of the paint. We're going to scuff it up. We're going to start with our DeWalt sander, do the flat areas, the drawers, and the cabinet doors. And then we'll take the sandpaper and then we'll get into the grooves, finish this piece off. Make it all dirty again, wipe it out, vacuum it, and get this piece waxed. Alright, we are good to go. We're going to start waxing it. Today we're going to use Dixie Belle's Best Staying Wax Clear. So we'll wipe it on, wipe it off, and we'll have a nice white waxed surface for us. So we're going to start with the stain pieces, then we'll work the body. Alright, here it is completed. I really like it. So if the clients don't take it, I'll probably put it in my living room. But we got stained dark walnut. We've got our white scuffed up, nice farm style look. If you like this and many of our other projects, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and leave us some comments. Let us know what you think of these projects.